take a look at the 2018 Golf. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass. Come see the car for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.